Hello everybody, welcome to Silver Lake Honey Homestead. I'm checking my bees today, and I notice on my nuke and package hives there's some washboarding going on my nuke hive, and I'm gonna check and see what's going on. They're probably running out of space in the nuke hive, so I'm gonna have to add honey supers. Package hive looks like a lot less activity than a nuke hive, and nuke hive is doing a lot better. As you can see, the hive on the left is a nuke hive, and this is a package hive. There's a lot more bees and activity going on, and I was kind of checking my bees, and I noticed like a lot of bees on the front, and also there's a lot of bees and some new fresh honey, capped honey you can see between the frames. So let's take a look what's going on. Gotta over smoke the entrance first. You can see there's a lot of bees and a lot of honey. They're getting out of the room, so I'm scared that they're not getting ready to swarm on me. First frame is all honey, capped and open nectar. Both open and capped. Larvae above with the honey dome above it. Another capped broods, larvae and honey. Okay, a lot of emerging bees, tons of bees, new bees that are being born. So these guys need some space right away, or they are going to swarm. There's some cups on the bottom, but luckily I don't see any eggs being deposited into those cups. A lot of cap broods. Wow, this queen is nice. Take a look at this frame and this cap brood. I can't believe how good she is. Very, very nice queen. You can see they're starting to think about winter and creating honey domes above their brood, which is good. Oh wow, look at this. Look at this queen. What an amazing queen. Big, thick honey domes being created above the brood, and cap brood right in the middle. All eggs and larvae on this frame right here, and above honey dome being created. Another cap brood and honey frame, and then thick honey frame on this side. Okay, so she has laid and drawn. So only frame that is not that doesn't have any brood and honey is this last 10th frame. So we are going to put it right here, and then move a frame of 2 of honey in our third box, which is going to be our honey super. Here's the queen right here. Here's that beautiful queenie. Wow, what a nice beauty. I love our queens. All we're gonna do is take a couple of the frames of our honey super and put it on the bottom, and then move a couple of frames of honey in the third box, and that's gonna be our honey super. I like to do and run 9 frames in my honey supers, and I always like to have first frame to be my deep, so I can move frames and give them nice yellow frames. If you have wax, that's like a gold, instead of putting plastic foundation and have them use all this energy to build this beautiful comb. So I'll move this comb down on the bottom, and she will lay into this frame in no time and have extra brood. And I'll have a honey frame up in the third box, so that will encourage bees to go up and store honey right away. So I'm going to put this frame right here. Okay, let's add our third box, which is going to be our honey super with 9 frames. Okay, so this is going to be our third box, which is honey super. If you have, for honey supers, if you have already drawn frames, that's a lot better than having plastic. But if you don't have it, then you have to use the plastic and see if they're gonna draw and make some extra honey. I do have some extra, always have extra frames that are being drawn, so I'm gonna use them. Our 2 frames that we moved from the bottom, I'm gonna put right in the middle, and hopefully it will bring all these bees from the second box to draw this honey super faster. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I like to run 9 frames. Try to get it evenly spaced. Why 9 frames is because the bees will draw and make thicker frames and easier to extract. Then instead of having 10 frames, they will actually store more honey into 9 frames with thicker 9 frames than 10 frames if they're thin. So that's it for the Nuke Hive. So what we did, we added a third box on the top. They're really crowded, get out of space. Queen does excellent job. She's laying uniformed brood, and she does really good job. So I'm gonna take a look very quick at our package hive and see what's going on there. The queen is laying. So these guys have used all the syrup that I've been giving them 1-to-1, and also all the pollen patty. You can see the syrup is gone and pollen patty is gone. There's only just a tiny little bit in the corner right there, but let's see. Let's see what's going on here. Hi guys. Okay, so let's remove the feeder and check out the frames, so this one is not drawn. This one is drawn, and there's a lot of eggs. Oh, here's queen. Found a queen right away. She's beautiful, young. Call it tiger queen. golden queen. She's beautiful. Look at her abdomen. Wow. She's actually doing a really good job. I don't know how well, or if you can see the eggs inside, but yeah, she's laying good. But you know, package hives is doing a little slower than a nuke, but still, I mean, they're doing pretty good. I don't know if you can see this, but I mean, almost every single cell is drawn with eggs. Are you able to see or not? But a lot of eggs. A lot of eggs. So that's a good sign. I mean, that is a good sign. So package hive is actually doing also pretty good. Yeah, and if you see this laying pattern too, I mean, it's not bad at all. There's a ton of, I mean, cap brood, and she almost didn't miss. And there's the ones that she missed, she is laying right back. So you can see these larvae right there. So, wow, look at this pattern right here. She's actually doing really good. See this pattern? I really like this queen too. So it doesn't matter, I mean, if they're gonna make us extra honey for us or not. I really like this queen, and I think she's gonna do a great job of surviving the winter. But we'll see, as we have a long way to go. Winters can be really bad here in Iowa. We can have really harsh blizzards, bad weather. We have to check for the mites. So if we have a young prolific queen that's laying really good with proper food storage, and we take care of mites, I would say we have 90% chance of surviving the winter. But it's just me, I don't know. Sometimes, you know, even if you do everything, they still die, you know, but you never know with bees. But we have to do our best to prepare them for winter. Okay, so the next frame is also a cap brood on both sides, and again frame of brood, really nice cap brood. So imagine when this is all eggs and larvae, all frame. Imagine when all this brood emerges. Wow, this hive is gonna be packed for the winter. I don't know, I'm not sure if this show up in the video, but I mean, almost every single cell is laid. Using my flashlight because I can't see very good also, but they're doing good. They're doing really good. I'm happy with both. I'm really happy with both, with nuke and with package hive. So okay, so what I see here is I have 7 frames drawn and laid and honey on them in the package hive. I would probably add super on the package hive too, because imagine when all this like 5 frames of these brood emerges, I mean they're gonna run out of space. It's gonna be packed. And you can see on the bottom too, in the bottom box is also packed with bees. I mean everything is packed. So just in case, I'm gonna add a second box to the package hive too. I mean third box. I'm gonna add the third box for the package hive, but I'm not gonna move any frames. I'm gonna leave all the frames in the second box because they still have 3 frames to go. I'm just gonna add them extra space and leave it, see if they're gonna move up by themselves. And then next week when I check them, if they didn't move, then I will move a frame or 2 or honey into the third box. But for now, I'm just gonna put the box on top to give them extra space. So guys, thank you all for watching. Man, this journey has been amazing. I love sharing my experience with you guys, and I see a lot of positive comments on my videos. That keeps me going, and I love showing what I do. So thank you all again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Happy beekeeping.